Class, please sign the permission slip on my desk.
Yes, teacher.
Leo, hurry up! I want to sign too. Okay. I'm signing. Done. Leo, that was the talent show sign-up sheet. What? No, I signed the permission slip. Leo, the permission slip is the blue paper. Oh no, this paper is yellow. You just signed up for the school talent show, Leo. Can I unsign?
Leo, I see your name list. Wonderful.
Teacher, I think there was a small mistake.
No mistakes, Leo. We are very excited to see your act. I cannot sing. I cannot dance. I cannot do anything.
I have some news. Small news. Very small.
What happened, Leo?
I accidentally signed up for the school talent show.
The talent show? Leo, that's wonderful!
Dad, I cannot sing. I cannot dance.
Leo, what can you do?
I can eat pizza very fast.
That is not a talent show act, Leo.
I can also sleep very fast. Also not a talent show act. Then I have no acts, Lily.
Leo, everyone has a talent. We just need to find yours.
Mom, the show is in 5 days.
Then we have 5 days. Let's start tomorrow.
What if my talent is worrying? I am very good at that.
Okay, Leo. Let's try singing first.
Dad, I really cannot sing.
Everyone can sing a little, Leo. Try this song.
La la la.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh!
Keep going, Leo.
Whoa!
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Okay, stop. Stop, please.
I told you, Dad.
That was very unique, Leo.
Dad, the neighbor's dog started howling.
I heard it, Lily.
Can we try something else, please?
Yes, immediately. Let's try dancing.
Leo, just follow my moves. Step left.
Step right. Like this, Mom?
Almost. Now turn around.
Around I go. Leo, watch out for the lamp. Do not worry, Lily. Oops, sorry, Mom.
It is okay, Leo.
Maybe dancing is not Leo's talent.
He is not very good at it, Dad. I am so sorry, Mom. Are you okay?
I am fine, Leo. Maybe let's try something else.
Mom, I think my feet have a problem. Leo, I have an idea. Try magic tricks. Magic tricks? I don't know any magic tricks. I will teach you. Watch this. Pick a card. Okay. Now put it back. Is this your card? Lily, that is amazing! Teach me! Okay, now you try. Pick a card, Dad. Is this your card?
No, Leo.
This one?
Leo, that is my library card.
How did that get there? Leo, you put all the cards in your pocket.
No. Magic is harder than it looks. Mom, I want to pull out of the talent show.
Leo, the show is tomorrow.
Exactly. There is still time to escape.
Leo, you cannot quit now.
Dad, I cannot sing. I cannot dance. I cannot do magic. Leo, think. What do you do better than anyone? Lily, I already said, pizza eating and sleeping. I don't know, Lily. Leo, think harder.
Leo, do you remember last month at Uncle Tom's party?
When I told all those funny stories?
Everyone was laughing for 1 hour, Leo.
That was just me talking, Mom.
Leo, making people laugh is a talent.
You think so, Dad?
I know so, son. Tell funny stories on that stage tomorrow.
What if nobody laughs? Leo, you make us laugh every single day. Even when I'm not trying?
Especially when you're not trying.
Okay. Lily, my legs are shaking. Leo, you are going to be amazing. What if I forget everything? Just talk like you always do. Be Leo. Okay, I can do that.
Leo, we are all out there watching.
You have got this, son.
Dad, what if nobody laughs?
Then you will have the quietest audience ever. But they will laugh. Next up, please welcome Leo Johnson. Let's hear it for Leo.
That's me. Oh no. That's me. Go, Leo. You've got this. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Hello, everyone. My name is Leo. I didn't mean to be here today. I signed the wrong paper. My teacher was very excited. I was not excited at all. He is making them laugh.
First, we tried singing. The neighbor's dog howled and ran away.
True story. Then we tried dancing. I stepped on my mom's foot 3 times. She is still limping. Sorry, Mom. Then we tried magic. I accidentally put everything in my pocket. And apparently that is my talent. Leo, you were amazing. They actually laughed, Lily.
Leo, I am so proud of you.
Mom, I told the story about your foot. Sorry.
It was worth it, Leo.
Son, you had that whole audience in your hands.
Dad, I was so scared up there.
Being scared and doing it anyway, that is called courage, Leo.
Leo! That was the best act in the whole show! Really? Really? You liked it?
Leo, I am very glad you signed that yellow paper.
Teacher, I am also very glad now.
Same time next year?
Your call, son.
Maybe, but this time I will sign on purpose. Did you ever do something by accident that turned out great? Let us know. And did you ever perform on a stage? Was it scary? Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.